Hi children, let's see one of the problem. See here, one of the given circuit is here. So in previous problem, we are the battery connection from the left side or else right side. But here the center of the circuit. See 2 ohms resistance, 2 ohms resistance, 2 ohms resistance, 2 ohms resistance, and 4, 4, 4, and here 2. So 12 volts battery connecting here. So now this circuit, how we can resolving? So what is the given here? From the above circuit, find the equivalent resistance and the current. So we have to find the equivalent resistance and current. See, given circuit. Here 4, 4, 4, and here 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 ohms. So now we are assuming here this is A and this is B. That's we assuming. So A and B. So AB here. Now across AB the total equivalent resistance. What is the equivalent resistance? So the current passing through like this. So this is I, and also like this, like here. Like this the current passing through the circuit. Now how we can resolving this circuit? See, first of all, the battery 12 volts here. From the center, this is the center. So you can go with from left side to battery and right side to battery. So at this time, two sides you have to resolving. See the first one. This is from left side 4 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. This is the center 2 ohms and the battery connecting, and here also 4 ohms and 2 ohms, four ohms and 2 ohms, 4 ohms. Now see here, from the left side these are series, from the right side these are series. Am I right? So from the left side these are series, from the right side these are the series. So these series is parallel to 4 ohms and these series parallel to 4 ohms. Let us check it. RSL is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 ohms. RSR right side, that means RS resistance series in right side, resistance series in left side is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 ohms. Resistance series in right side is equals to 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 ohms. So now here 4 ohms and this one also 4 ohms, and this is 2 ohms, and this is a battery, and this is 4 ohms, and how much this is 6 ohms. Clear? So the circuit is resolving like this. See, from this battery is the middle, so you have to be calculating from the left side of the circuit and also right side of the circuit. So from the beginning left side is 2 ohms and 2 ohms is in series, that's why 4 ohms. From the left side 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 2 ohms is in series, that's why 6 ohms. So that 6 ohms is parallel to 4 ohms, so that's why 6 ohms is parallel to 4 ohms, and these 4 ohms is parallel to 4 ohms, that's why 4 ohms is parallel to 4 ohms, and this is 2 ohms. Clear? Now these are in parallel and these are in parallel. So parallel and parallel. So parallel means RPL. So resistance parallel in left side, 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4, that is equals to 16 by 8. 8 ones, 8 twos, that is equals to 2 ohms. Now RPR, so resistance parallel in right side is equals to 4 into 6 by 4 plus 6, that is equals to 24 by 10, that is equals to 2.4 ohms. Now what is the circuit here? From the left side how much? 2 ohms, and this is 2 ohms. From the right side how much? 2.4 ohms, and this is battery. Wait. So this is 2.4 ohms from the right side, and 2 ohms on the middle is here, and 2 ohms on the left side. Am I right? So 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4, 4 4s are 16 by 8, 2 ohms, and 4 into 6 by 4 plus 6, that is equals to 24 by 10, that means 2.4. Why here is 6 ohms can be from the above here, 2 plus 4 plus 2. 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equals to, 2 plus 4, 6, and 6 plus 2, 8 ohms here, this is 8 ohms, I think this is 8 ohms. So 8 into 4 by 8 plus 4, 8 into 4 by 8 plus 4, so 8 into 4 is equals to 32, 32 divided by 8 plus 4, 12. So here we can go with the 4 table, 4 3s are 12 and 4 8s are 32, so 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 means how much? Go with calculation of 8 by 3 of 3 2s are 6, and again 2.0, 3 6 are 18, again 2, so 2.6 is we can equivalent 2.67 like that, 2.67 ohms, 2.61. So again I repeat the diagram here. This is 2 ohms, and this is also 2 ohms, but this is 2.67 ohms. So all these are crossing the battery here. So this is A and this is B. You can draw here also A and B, and A B like this. A, see here. So AB. Now across AB the equivalent distance, these three all are in series. These three all are in series. So R equivalent is equals to 2 plus 2.67, that is equals to 6.67 ohms. 6.67 ohms. So total current I is equals to V by R. So V by R, V means 12 divided by 6.67. So you can calculate this value and give the answer. Okay, are you understand clearly? So in the circuit, the battery connecting between the middle of the circuit, you can resolve the circuits from the left side onwards and right side onwards at the same time. Clear? Again I repeat one more problem. Let us see.